Feel the stretch, then explode through the contraction. Chest day is calling. Drive up with power, squeeze the pecs at the top. That's 1 rep. Feel that burn? Keep pushing. Squeeze the pecs at the top. Feel the contraction. Control the negative, don't let it drop. 1 more rep. Drive through the chest.
Explode through the top, squeeze your pecs like you're crushing a walnut. Feel that full chest contraction. Control the negative, then drive up. That's progressive overload. 1 more rep, let's go. Focus on squeezing the pecs at the top. Feel the full stretch on the way down. Chest activation maximized. Keep that mind-muscle connection.